All right, is Corporal Knapp supposed to be in room 5?
He can be.
Okay, just wanted to make sure. I'll
Thank-
just leave him there. All right, we are now live streaming. Welcome to the 36th District Court for the City of Detroit, State of Michigan. It is now in session in virtual courtroom 335. I am Judge Donna Robinson Millhouse, and I will be presiding in the stead of Judge Geraldine Bledsoe Ford, Deborah Geraldine Bledsoe Ford. While court is in session, there's no eating or drinking or sleeping or gum chewing or smoking, no hats or head wraps while on screen. And we're going to ask that you remain muted until your case is called or unless you otherwise really need to get the attention of the court. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for your patience.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, and I'm calling the Buja case. Bujaya. This is case number SP 1366215, People versus Christopher Patrick Bujaya. Names for the record, attorney first.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jill Banky appearing on behalf of the defendant, Christopher Bujaya.
Thank you. Good morning to you, Attorney Banky. Your
Nice to
number.
see you. It's been a while.
It
Always
has.
a pleasure.
Thank you. Your P number for the record.
48202.
All right, thank you. And thank you for your patience. This matter is scheduled for a formal hearing today.
Yes, it was for 8:30, Your Honor.
Okay, and it's way after that.
It's 10:36 and the officer has not yet appeared, so I respectfully request and move this honorable court to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
All right, the court will do so. Thank you for your patience. You're free to leave.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Take care, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Right, bye-bye. And then who is here without
Sergeant Harpenich.
I mean, so I'm just trying to
Yes,
see
Your Honor.
for what case?
For Bickersfield, who didn't show, and I believe the other one is Borden, Jay Borden.
What was the first one?
Bickersfield, or
Oh, Bickerstaff?
Bickerstaff. Yeah,
Okay. And was the other one?
let's say Borden.
Yeah.
Jay Borden.
I don't see the Borden one. All right, let me call this one. This is lead case number Z 783-212, People versus Jesse Carl Bickerstaff. He's here for trial on that case. And for case numbers U475-73418, U739-88211, and Z83451. But you, your name for the record again?
Sergeant Daniel Harpenich. He is checked in because I didn't see him checked in.
No, I said he isn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Sergeant Daniel Harpenich.
Okay, so your case was the U739-88211.
Correct.
Thank you for appearing. Court will release you. And then you were here for another matter as well?
Yeah, it's Jay Borden.
Trying to see if I see it on this docket. Yeah, I see it. Case number 22-737-1351. People versus James Delvico Borden.
Correct.
All right, and just state your name and your badge number again for the record.
Sergeant Daniel Harpenich, badge S1212.
Thank you, Sergeant Harpanich. Mr. Borden has not appeared, so the court is going to release you from that case as well today. And thank you for appearing. Thank you for your patience.
I appreciate you, Honor. Is it Judge Millhouse?
It is Judge Millhouse. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. You're welcome. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. And so I don't think I have anything else.
Your Honor,
You put something out there?
I think we could dispose of the case against Toinetta Bolden. It's a no officer situation.
Okay. I don't have that right here. I have a Butler.
Butler works. We can do that, Mr. Butler.
Okay, can I have the Bolden case? All right, this is case number SP 1335708, People versus Antoine Malik Butler. Names for the record, attorney first.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., 228880. On behalf of Mr. Butler, state your full name, Mr. Butler.
Antoine Malik Butler.
This date and time set for trial, Your Honor. The no officer having appealed, we seek to have this matter dismissed.
All right, is that correct? The officer hasn't appeared? Mr. Clerk?
Yes, Judge, that is true.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Butler.
Good morning.
Just want to make, there's a couple of Butlers, so let me just make sure I have the right one. Yeah, he has two matters for trial. Okay, Mr. Butler, the court will dismiss your case without prejudice. That means that the charges can be refiled against you, but they are dismissed today since there's no witness that has appeared and this matter was scheduled for trial. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Take care.
You have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye. You said,
We have a Brittano Burton.
It's actually Brittany Burton.
okay,
Oh, that's Brittany. Okay.
give me 1 second.
Yeah, it's supposed to be an I at the end.
I don't have it. I don't have it right here, so I'm trying to find it on the. All right, this is case number 207011731, People versus Brittany Nyasia.
Brittany Nyasia Burton, yes.
Names for the record, attorney first.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Burton. State your full name, Ms. Burton.
Brittany Nyasia Burton.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor, the date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Burton. And I
Good
see
morning.
that you are on the docket and we will dismiss this case. For that reason, the dismissal is without prejudice, meaning that the charge can be refiled against you, but it is dismissed today and you're free to leave.
Thank you so much. Have a good
You're
day.
welcome. Thanks for your patience. Bye-bye.
No problem.
All right.
And then there is Ms. Bolden.
Let me do Ms. Brazel. This
Hi,
is
yes, Brazil.
Brazel. This is case number SP 1338732, People versus Lativa.
Yes.
Leeda. Did you say Brazel? Brazel?
Yes.
Brazel.
Yes.
Names for the record, attorney first. And please, when you're on, when your case is called, you can activate your screen if you're able to.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Brazil.
I'm unable to activate the screen. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. Don't
Okay, I'm
worry.
sorry.
Nope, I don't want you, I don't want to lose you.
We have not had a chance to speak with Ms. Jansen.
Yeah,
officer-
blockading traffic.
Yes,
That
Your
was
Your
it.
Honor, that is correct. I did text that offer to Mr. Berry, and I asked him to speak with Ms. Brazel. My officer is here, Corporal McCready.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna stop. I thought this was ready because it was given to me, so.
Has Bolden been given to you, Your Honor?
I have that file.
No. So I'm gonna let the party, it looks like there's a few things that still need to happen. I have 3 files on me and Brazel was one of them. So let me stop, let you finish what you need to do, and then I'll come on and be ready, okay?
Okay.
I don't know how many people you still need to talk to. Because I was given this file, so I thought it was ready. So that might not necessarily be the case. So make sure you have everything ready, Mr. Berry, and I'm just gonna go dark. I can hear you and let me know when you're ready. You probably have to go into breakout rooms. I don't know if you can get people in the breakout rooms. I don't know who does that in this courtroom, if it's a clerk or whom.
Yep, I can do it, Judge.
Okay, but do that because we're live, okay? So I don't want to
Yes.
discuss sensitive information live. So I'm just gonna go dark and let me know when you're all are completely ready. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Unless there's a quick dismissal. Thank you.
The only one I have a question about, Mr. Court Clerk, is William Bostic. I have some defaulted judgments that are quite old. I don't know what they're here for. I do see a Dennis Bostic on the docket. Am I missing what time he's at?
Nope, this is not on the docket. Judge Ford promised him that she would help him with his civil infractions.
She would what?
Help him with his civil infractions.
Okay,
We're
so
gonna have to amend, we're gonna have to adjourn that then. Because I can't
Yes.
help with a default of civil infraction. You know what I mean? If that's something that I'm sorry, I'm weighing in. If it's something that she is trying to do differently, I don't want to, usurp her.
Yes, Judge.
I'll put it that way.
okay, so those are all civil infractions, which default. Yep, they're all in default.
Yeah, I'd be placed in a
Want to
break.
just do a new date
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
later on? Are you saying they're not on the docket or something, or they are?
Yes, they're not on the docket. There's no William Bostic today. It looks like it's a special matter, maybe that Judge Ford was handling.
Okay.
And they're all defaults from 2017.
Oh, yeah. I won't be able to do anything.
Could I please speak?
Attorney Berry, if you'd like to meet in a breakout room, I can speak with you.
That's fine. I'll be happy to. Let's do that.
Thank you. Okay. The only person whose file I don't have is Dominique Bell, Mr. Court Clerk. And it looks like the officer had checked in. He's not here now. But I will, oh, that's a state ticket, so.
Oh, yes. Judge, we are having an issue with this case. I have emailed Ms. Paula Cole for the recommendation on that case. She has not responded back to me yet.
Are you able to reach her, Attorney Jansen? She was in my courtroom.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm going to text her right now, email her right now, but I think that the only one that we can have heard is Mr. Bostic's case for his new date. And I have the tickets here. I don't know, I have registers of actions on these. So I don't know if you want these run down to Judge Milhouse. I can bring them to your courtroom.
No, I think that since it's not on the docket, I think that I assume that, Mr. Nevels, you can handle that?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. I'm not sure what to do.
Okay, all
'Cause
right
it's not
then.
on the docket,
Okay, sounds good. Then,
but Mr. Bostic is here,
Yes,
so we need to tell him something. I don't know if he can come back later this week. I'm not sure of Judge Ford's schedule.
Mr. Runner, she should be back tomorrow. We thought she was going to be back today.
Right.
But Mr. Bostic, if it's possible for you to come back tomorrow morning.
yep,
Oh,
Well,
yes.
Mr. Bostic, I'm not meaning to ignore you. I just don't, this is a kind of a different circumstance. So I don't want to, I'm
I understand.
covering for her, but yeah, but she probably needs to be here for your matters.
I understand. Thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, sir.
May I be placed with Miss Brazil? Brazil.
Hi, yes.
Judge, if you could make me the co-host, then I
Oh,
could.
sure. I'll get Miss Brazil in there right now with Mr. Berry, right quick. And then I'll make you co-host. Thank you. I think she's in there. Yep, they're there. Is Corporal Spidell here on a matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Spider here for Kashara Bryant.
Is she here? Okay, all right. I see that she's here. Okay, thank you. Then we have Officer Bennett on something.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, everybody, I hope everybody has that covered. We're all working on those cases where the the defendant is here, correct? On Officer Bennett's case?
yes,
Okay,
that would be
alright.
Kashira Bryant,
Okay.
and I've sent an offer to Attorney Berry. I think he needs to speak with her.
Okay,
And then Twinetta Bolden, I can run the file down to you. That one is a dismissal because the officer didn't show up. I
okay,
mean, I'm unable to proceed, but
okay. No problem.
I can run that file down to you. Or to Judge Ford's.
Yeah,
Judge Ford's.
yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
he'll get it to me. Thank you. And Ms. Jansen, are you calling Miss Cole? Ooh,
Yes, I just emailed her and said that she's needed in room 335.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Nevels, I have all the files ready. I'm going to bring them all down.
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Mhm.
Ms. Jansen,
Yes,
can we meet in a breakout room?
yes. You should have all the offers except for, I believe you should have all of them. But I'm gonna run to Judge Miller.
A lot of them are not readable on my machine. They're tiny and and the picture wasn't complete. Could you just meet in a breakout room?
Yeah, no problem.
Before you do that, Mr. Barry, I think there's a Miss Bolden, you said that? or
Yes.
Who did you say that is let me call that one. That's a no officer?
Yeah.
Okay, and I need that file.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Clerk, okay.
And then these are offers.
So give me 1 second. I'm going
I'm
to
gonna run to Judge Miller.
call it from the docket. This is case number SP 1314885 2 3 and SP 13152-801. People versus Tonetta, I think maybe Monique Bolden. Names for the record, attorney first.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Bolden. State your full name, Ms. Bolden.
Tonetta Monique Bolden.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Bolden.
Good morning.
This is a date and time set for trial, Your Honor. The two officers on these various tickets have not appeared. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
Okay, actually, I said those tickets, but she has more.
Yeah.
So that's also SP 131-48841, SP 131-48851, V 112-79917, and V 112-80017. All matters scheduled for, the first ones that I identified were scheduled for formal hearings. The rest scheduled for trial. It's my understanding there are no officers that are present on either, maybe Officer Ray and Officer Crawford. So the court will dismiss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 7 matters for no officer. And you are free to leave, Ms. Bolden.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, Attorney.
Ms. Brazel is ready, Your Honor. Do you want to continue?
Well, I have to see if we're ready now on that one? Okay, let me do that one then. Then this is case number, recalling case number SP 1338732, People versus Latoya Brazel. I think names. I'm getting it all wrong, I'm sure. Names again for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Brazel. State your full name, Ms. Brazel.
Latoya Lativa Brazel.
Your Honor, Ms. Brazel would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter plea to blocking traffic.
Okay. All right. Good morning again to you, Ms. Brazel.
Good morning to you.
I think I got it right that time.
Yes.
I don't want to say it too many more.
Oh, you're fine. Everyone says it like that. I'm not offended.
Okay. I'm trying to get it right. So the offer is to reduce the civil infraction citation from disregarding red signal to blockading traffic. You understand that if the court accepts your plea of responsible, that you will not get a formal hearing and you be giving up your rights that come with a formal hearing.
Yes.
Okay. And the prosecutor has made a recommendation to reduce that charge to blockading traffic. Has anyone offered you anything else in exchange for your plea of responsible?
Well, my first court date, Miss Deborah Ford, I told her the situation and I told her what happened. She
But
said as long.
no, but I
Oh, I'm
mean, let me
sorry.
say that, is anybody now offering you anything other than what's been placed on the record? Yeah, I don't,
Yes, just blocking traffic, that's all.
that's all. Anyone threatening you to plead responsible?
No,
Are you doing so voluntarily on your own?
yes,
All right, then the court will accept your plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading traffic. Your fines and costs total $93. Are you able to make payment within 14 days?
is it okay if I have a payment arrangement by chance?
So it won't be a payment arrangement. I can give you some additional time. Usually the civil infractions are supposed to be paid statutorily sooner. But can you do 30 or 45 days? And you can,
Yes, if possible, 45. I'm sorry, things are just really tight right now. I have a 1-year-old son.
okay. All right. 45 days, time to pay. And you can pay a little bit at a time. Just make sure it's paid timely, the whole
Okay.
thing, because there are late fees and things that will start accruing on it.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want that.
Well, thank you so much for being
welcome.
helpful to me. I appreciate everyone in the courtroom.
Oh, that's nice. And I'm sorry, Corporal McCree. Thank you.
Ma'am, may I also know how much I'd have to be paying?
Yeah, fines and costs total $93.
Okay.
That's what I said that first.
Okay, I'm sorry.
$93. That's what I was asking. Could you pay that? Okay. So you are all set, Miss Brazil.
Thank you so much. Beautiful lipstick and glasses.
Oh, so you can see me. Okay.
Yeah, I can
I
see
can't
you.
never tell. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
All right, bye-bye. And Corporal McCree, you're free to leave. I don't know if he may have left. Okay. All right. You still have some things to talk to some other folk? You can do that, Mr. Berry. While I get,
Thank you, Your Honor.
pardon?
I said, thank you.
Okay,
Yes, thank you. I'd
okay,
like to speak to Ms. Jansen.
okay.
Attorney Barry, I'm assigned to break out room 5. Are you assigned to break out room 5 too?
Let me look and see.
No, I'll get them there.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. There you go.
There we go.
I think Ms. Bryant, Attorney Barry would like to speak with you.
Okay.
May I be placed with Ms. Bryant? Now I can go to Ms. Bryant. There we go.
Did I ever make you co-host? I don't think I did I?
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. I'm saying,
Oh, no problem.
I don't even see how. Where? It's not allowing me. Wait a minute, maybe I'm looking at the wrong. Ooh, never mind. Yeah, I am looking at the wrong thing. Make co-host. Here we go.
Oh, thank you, Judge.
There's Tremaine Brown coming in. Is it too late? Well, you don't, why do you have a brown? Wait. Yeah, you are the bees. Looks like it's a pre-trial. I'll let you handle that, Mr. Clerk.
Yes, Judge.
Let you. I mean, in terms of admitting her, and if I can handle it. If it's fine. She looks like somebody's coming in. Somebody new. I don't know if she's new or just coming back.
Oh, yes, she's coming.
He's like growing up, the little baby on Family Guy. Do we? Yeah. Unless you're talking about Joey. And it's funny because it's like IQ level.
God.
All right. Are we ready for anything?
We are ready for Ms. Bryant, Your Honor. We have all.
Baby, I didn't let you still we do get some of those parents that we can gets figured out. Especially with the push start. Now you don't even have to turn anything, just push the start. I know. I'm not always happy.
All right. I hear there's a lot of noise on something. Maybe that was Miss Bryant.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Okay. This is lead case number SP 1278575. People versus Kashira Anthonique, ANTHONIQUE Bryant. Names for the record, attorney first.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Bryant. State your full name, Ms. Bryant.
Kashira Anthony Bryant.
Your Honor, Ms. Bryant would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter pleas to failure to display and expired plates.
Okay. Counts 1 and 2 of this ticket, it looks
Yes.
like. Okay,
Yes.
good. Morning to you, Miss Bryant.
Good morning.
Yeah, it looks like you're wishing to plead guilty to driver's license never acquired. Count 1, that's a
Yes.
misdemeanor. And to the civil infraction of expired plates to plead responsible. And let me
Yes.
make sure I see. All right, you understand that if the court accepts your guilty plea and responsible
Yes.
plea, you will not get a trial or a formal hearing. And that means you'd be giving up all of your rights that come with the trial and formal hearing.
Yes.
Okay. Maximum sentence for the driver's license never acquired ticket is a $500 fine and or 93 days in jail. And I don't see that being reduced. Is that correct, Ms. Jansen? I just want to make sure.
It should be a failure to display.
It doesn't say it on the recommendation. You like,
Okay,
so should it be failure to display?
yes.
Okay, so the prosecutor is making a recommendation no to reduce that charge to failure to display a valid driver's license. And to dismiss count 3 of that ticket, and also to dismiss case number SP 9386801. I see another matter here that doesn't look like it's been addressed.
Yes, there are several matters set for formal hearing or trial today for Ms. Bryant, and several officers did not show up. So the offer only encompasses the matters on which Corporal Spidell and Corporal Knapp appeared.
Okay, and they are here. Good morning, Corporal Spidell. Good morning, Corporal Knapp.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right.
Morning, Your Honor.
We'll handle these first, and then I'll go back and see what else is being handled. So there's the recommendation is to dismiss case numbers SP 127855753 and SP 9386801. Is anyone offering you anything else in exchange for your guilty and responsible pleas, Ms. Bryant?
No.
Anyone threatening you to plead guilty and responsible?
No.
You're doing so voluntarily?
Yes.
Okay, I just need to take testimony from you on the misdemeanor ticket, driver's license never acquired. Please raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Bryant, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit, state of Michigan on November 12th, 2021 without your driver's license having been acquired?
Yes.
Okay, court finds there's a factual basis to support the guilty plea. Court will accept your guilty plea to the amended charge of failure to display a valid driver's license. And the court will accept your responsible plea to the civil infraction of expired plates. Dismiss count 3 and the other 2 counts against you. And then it's my understanding that you have some other matters. Let me see. And one thing, okay, wait a minute. Oh, boy. Some are in disposition status, so let me make sure. There's some other matters scheduled for trial for Ms. Bryant, where the officers have not appeared. Is that correct, Mr. Berry? Do you know which ones those are?
So,
So you can make the motion. Jude, what? You're not making me do everything. I think you are.
So we could dismiss P 753-8481. Is that correct? Yes. and P88228882 and same number, but three, count three
And
on
one,
that. Is there a one?
oh, no, it
yes,
looks like,
there's
is it,
one.
no, that's in default. No, count one is in default, it looks like.
Okay, and
I don't know. I'm confused. Now I'm getting confused.
It's set for a formal
Robin-
hearing today, Your Honor.
It is?
Yes, and maybe it was set aside if there was a
Okay.
default. I'm not sure, but certainly after today, it's in default. Or
It's open.
actually, it's open. So
All right, so office, okay, Corporal Spidel is here.
yes,
Corporal Robbins is not, correct?
Robbins
He's
was
not.
checked in, but
checked
he
in?
indicates no recollection on his two cases.
Okay. And then the other one is Corporal Knapp. So we handle those, Spidel. So for the cases for Officer Jones, those are scheduled for a formal hearing. He's not here. We'll discuss those. So SP 882288 counts 1, 2, and 3. I'm assuming it looks like they're live on the docket. And then the one for Officer Robbins, case number SP 8886291 and 2.
Yeah.
Court will dismiss those for no officer. Okay, so your fines and costs for the expired plate, it's $93. For the driver's license never acquired is $290. Fines and costs, that's the misdemeanor. And it comes with heavy costs, mandatory ones. So that looks like $383 altogether. Are you able to make payment within 60 days?
Could you give me the total amount together?
$383.
Is that included for the other ticket that I saw Miss Judge Ford on? I think it was like 2 something, or is this like all of them combined? Because if so, yes, I can pay him in 60 days.
I don't know. I'm stepping in for her, so I don't know what happened last time.
Oh,
This
okay.
is all I'm
Yeah.
doing today. I'm dismissing a lot pursuant to the recommendation, and also because there are no officers on some other matters that looks like they were just, but it looks like maybe they were set aside or something, the default judgments.
Okay, I can have the payment in by October 28th. Is that okay?
Okay, is that 60 days?
I think it might be a little over 60 days.
All right. We'll do 90 days time to pay.
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. You're all set. I don't know anything about any other, anything else you're supposed to pay.
Okay, and then I just pay this on the 36districtcourt.org.
You can do it that way.
Okay, and it'll all pop up for the ones I'm supposed to pay.
It should, yes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah, a few days,
sorry.
make sure it's all in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Bye.
Bryant, thank you, officers Knapp or corporals Knapp and Spidel. You're free to leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Bye-bye.
May I be placed with Ms. Bonarge?
boy. Ms. Bonars, you're in breakout room, already signed to breakout room number 1. Are you able to get back? She's there. I have a file for a Bennett or Bishop, I'm sorry. Is that person here or no?
I believe some individuals had checked in, Your Honor, and then they just somehow fell off the Zoom. So I let Mr. Nevels know that, and I don't know if I had a chance to speak with Mr. Bennett or Mr. Berry, but
okay. So I don't see Bishop. So it looks like we just have Miss Bonarge and Miss Bell.
Correct. And I did email Paula Cole on Miss Bell's case, but that one there's no officer. I believe it's a hearing.
Okay.
So,
but then we don't need her.
If I'm not mistaken, let me just double check for you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, it is a trial and formal hearing, and the officer did check in. I did see him earlier, actually. So he's no longer here.
Okay.
I'll just email Paula Cole one more time.
What is Officer Bennett here for?
He is here on Ms. Bonarge's case, which Attorney Berry is discussing with his client on.
Okay, very good. Okay. You know where the other officer went, or if that officer was here?
The state trooper was here. I think maybe Mr. Nevels might know. Yeah. Or Miss Davis.
Which one?
Dominique Bell.
No.
Dominic Bell, that's the case with Paula Cole, but the trooper was present.
Okay. Is the trooper coming back?
I think they decided that the young lady was going to take a plea.
I don't have a plea in here. I don't see an offer in here. So I'm not sure what happened.
Didn't put it in there.
Okay, I'm going.
Judge Millhouse, Paula Cole, she just sent me the recommendation. I can bring it to your chambers right now.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Oh, and Judge, I have the KPS ready. I don't know if you want them now, but.
Yes, you can bring them down.
Okay.
Yep, thank you. And is it, okay, so they must have discussed it earlier about the offer. That's why the officers in here.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready as to Ms. Bonarge.
Yes.
This is case number SP 1325388. People versus Darlene Bonarge. Names for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Bonarge. State your full name, Ms. Bonarge.
Darlene Bonarge.
Your Honor, Ms. Bonarge would avail herself of the people's offer to enter pleas to impeding traffic and expired plates.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Bonarge.
Morning.
All right, so you're pleading responsible to these two civil infractions. You understand that if the court accepts your pleas of responsible, you will not get a formal hearing with respect to these matters.
Yes.
Okay, and that means you're giving up your rights to a formal hearing as well. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, the prosecutor has made a recommendation to reduce the speeding ticket to blockading traffic. That's count 1. You're also pleading as cited on count 2. That's you're pleading responsible as cited on count 2, civil infraction of expired plates. And there's a recommendation to dismiss the 2 misdemeanors in case number SP 1325656. Has anyone offered you anything else in exchange for your responsible pleas?
No.
Anybody threaten you to plead responsible?
No.
Are you doing so voluntarily on your own?
Yes.
Okay, and the court will accept your plea of responsible to the amended citation of blockading traffic with respect to count 1 and accept your plea of responsible to expired plates, count 2. Dismiss the other 2 matters, and your fines and costs are $93 for each one. Are you able to make payment within 14 days, ma'am? That'd be $186 altogether.
No, I'm on a fixed income, so.
All right, I'll do 60 days time to pay, okay? I'll have to do that. The civil infractions kind of tie my hands more than the misdemeanors, and your misdemeanors are being dismissed, actually. I do 60?
Well, I would have to, yeah, I guess, yes.
Do you have are your plates still expired?
No, ma'am.
Do you have valid plate?
Yes.
Can you show, if you show that to the court, I can make that 0.
How would I show
Okay.
that? I have to run outside and take a picture?
Do something or bring it in.
Registration? I'm not sure.
Yeah. For plates. Is it for the 2019 Buick?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, the new law says if they show proof of that, and then the fines and costs are 0.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. I take a picture of it.
Well,
okay, can't you bring it in, or can you bring it in and show it, or?
Yes, I can bring it in.
Okay, if you're there, you might as well just and show it on camera, okay? We'll have you show it to the prosecutor and or to Mr. Berry.
Now, these plates are brand new.
Officer Bennett is also here. Maybe he will be able to take a look.
Okay. Hello, Officer Bennett. Again.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I'll go in breakout room. You have it handy with you or no? Is it in the car?
Oh, I have it here. I'm
Oh.
trying to figure out, okay.
Come on out.
what
I'm
is-
gonna put you all in the breakout room, okay?
Okay,
Okay. Just go back in, Ms. Bernard, and I'll send, and Ms. Berry, Mr. Berry,
Yes, Your Honor.
Jansen, just go back to room 1.
Okay, could Officer Bennett also follow
Sure.
us? Thank
Yep.
you.
I'm getting him in. Can you get in there, Ms. Bernard?
I don't see the request like I did before.
See, how about rejoin or something?
Nope, I don't see it.
See more? All
Nope.
right, I might have to move you somewhere else. Let's see. Move you to room 2, okay? You see that
Okay.
prompt?
Yep, I see it.
Go ahead. All right, so we're still on the record. I misspoke. I get it's 0 if it was no proof of registration. But this was expired place, but can we just, is it good, first of all? Does she have valid?
Yes, Your Honor. Her plates are valid till March of 2023.
Okay,
And insurance is valid also.
okay, and when was this?
Oh,
Oh, it was in March.
they're in the break room, Your Honor. We're just waiting for them to come back.
Pardon?
They're-
They're here, everybody's here. We're back on the record. So I could either just waive it or just accept it just to that one matter. Is that fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So we are going to dismiss count 2. And you just pled just to the blockading count 1. And yeah, dismiss count 2 of that ticket and the other 2 matters. So it's just $193 charge, 60 days time to pay, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So how do you pay this?
Mr. Barry?
Well, you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org. You can pay it at a DivDat kiosk that you see around the city. You can come to the court and go inside and pay at a cashier's window. And there's also a DivDat kiosk outside the court.
Okay, so do I have to pay it all at once?
No, you do not. Just,
But it has to be done by that time.
but it has to be done by the
But
time.
if it isn't, you'll get more charges, like late.
That's 60 days
Yes, please.
from today.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. You're
All
all
right.
set, Ms. Bonnet?
Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Barry.
Well, you're welcome, of course.
I can leave.
You may.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you spoken with Ms. Bell?
No.
There is an
I-
offer. There is an
Yes.
offer.
Yes, I've spoken to Ms. Bell some time ago. She accepts the offer
Okay,
as to,
this is case number SX 4034923, People versus Dominique Renee, RENAYE hyphen Nicole NICHOLE Bell. Names for the record, attorney first.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Bell. State your full name, Ms. Bell.
My name is Dominique Renee Nicole Bell.
Your Honor, Ms. Bell would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter the plea to no proof of insurance and dismiss the improper plate split charge.
Okay, and that no proof of insurance, it looks like is a civil infraction.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Morning, I was about to say afternoon. Feels that way. But we're gonna get you going, Miss Bell. Good morning to you, Miss Bell. You
Good morning.
you understand that if the court accepts your responsible plea to count 2, that you will not get a formal hearing regarding this citation, and that means you'll be giving up all of your rights that come with a formal hearing.
Yes, I understand.
All right, the prosecutor has made a recommendation to dismiss count 1, the misdemeanor count. Has anyone offered you anything else?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you to?
Absolutely
Wait a
not.
minute, I thought they were dismissing. I'm getting confused. Hold up. No, that's right. Let me make sure I said this right. You're pleading to count 2. No proof of insurance is a citation for civil infraction. Okay. And the dismissal of count 1. So are you doing so voluntarily on your own?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Then this is a civil infraction. The court doesn't need to take any testimony from you. The court will accept your plea of responsible to count 2, dismiss count 1. And I think that's a $93 charge. Let me make sure. Wait a minute. Nope, that's a little bit more. Oh, give me 1 second. That's $105 altogether. Are you able to make payment in 14 days?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, you're getting it out of here and done. All right, then you are all set. The court will dismiss count 1, the misdemeanor, and have a good rest of the day. Ms.
I will.
Bell.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
All right, you take care. Bye-bye. That completes the docket. Thank you,
Judge.
everyone. Okay, take
Thank
care,
you so
Mr.
much,
Barry.
Thank you,
Judge.
Judge. Okay,
Take
bye.
care, Your
Thank
Honor.
you,
Stand.
Madam Court.
Curtis.
Thanks. Bye, everyone. Are,
Bye.
do we sign a fly this afternoon, Judge?
It's however, I don't know. I have to do my docket. So if that's what Judge Ford had indicated,
Okay.
So if that's what
All
you're
right,
gonna
thanks.
do, that's fine. You tell me if you need me. But
Okay, thank you,
I have an
Judge.
afternoon